Welcome to my channel, and today, I will be teaching you how to disable comments on your Facebook timeline, wall and profile. Some users may want to use Facebook and other social media for sharing and communicating with their close friends, but not with everyone on the internet. Whether you'd like to hide all comments, keep some contacts from commenting, or remove comments, we'll explore your options in this video. To start, go to your preferred web browser on either your desktop or mobile device. Then, log into Facebook with your account's connected email or username alongside your password. Once you're logged in, go to the drop-down arrow on the top right of your screen, and select Settings. From there, you'll want to change your privacy settings. Here you can choose who sees your posts, and even allow you to review others, tagging you before they go live on your Facebook timeline or homepage. Now that you know you can limit who on the internet can even access your personal information, it's time to disable comments on your Facebook shares. The Only Me option means that only you can see your post, which also relates to only you can comment. You can always update the privacy settings in a post after it has been published. Locate the post you'd like to edit privacy for. Choose from Public, Friends, Friends Accept, or Only Me. There you have it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get video updates daily. Thank you and have a nice day.